said, this is something to do. Yeah. Until then I was like begari, you know, per day, 30 rupees pink slip. Chalo, dubbing karo, ye karo, kuch bhi karo. I said, something started forming from there. And closeness to children also. It's kind of this plus that resulted in many years of working on the first draft of High Jump, which was later Tare Zameen Par.
Right. Vikram, you have a similar Make Taakat moment?
No, I actually grew up, I probably watched Amar Akbar Anthony about 50 times when I was maybe between 6 and 8 and that kind of stuff. I don't think there's one single film that I think makes you say that you want to be a director. I think that the choice of job is taken, in my case, just purely because I was helping my mom, who was a producer, out as a production assistant. I actually wanted to be an engineer. It's actually a reverse Udan. Yeah. And I just loved the set. I just loved this idea of being on a set and, there's the lights and all that stuff. So I started assisting, and then it's many films. It's many screenplays. And then it's lovely because you start discovering them at adult age. When you see Bandhani for the first time, when you see Guide for the first time, when you see Pyasa for the first time, and I've actually got to see these on screens. That magic of seeing those films, and tons, whether it's Bergman, whether it's Woody Allen, whether it's anybody's films from anywhere around the world, and I think it's always happening. There's always a time when you go to the movies and you see a movie that leaves you so stumped and so in love with the movies and so inspired to go back in and just do it all over again, and so I think it's a continuous process. I don't think there's any one film that I can say that has inspired me to actually go and start making movies.
Right. But were you all, of course in your case because you sort of grew up in the films, but when you actually entered the craft and the whole technicality of it, were you stunned by like how much that goes into filmmaking, especially a lot of film students here who might be like, who would be inspired by some of your stories about how you went about it, the whole process. I don't want to ask you like how did you get your first break, but how did you get into the craft of filmmaking per se? Alright? From Tezab and then?
Yeah, I really wanted to, I came to Bombay with a hidden agenda of, to be part of the entertainment industry, but I told my parents that I was doing my graduation in physics honors, and उसके साथ साथ मैं try कर रहा था. So I really wanted to be at a film set, और director मिलते नहीं थे उस वक्त, ऑफिस में बैठे रहो, पेशेंस नहीं था. अभी ये बात जो है ना बाहर नहीं जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं इनके साथ शेयर कर चुका हूँ ये आइडिया, तो मैं वापस अभी कहानी दूसरी नहीं बता सकता, बिकॉज ये हुआ है. The first time I went to a film set was as a background dancer. So I really wanted to be on the film set. होता क्या है? तो मैंने कई सारे फिल्मों में ऐसे करके, अब बिकॉज मुझे लगा था कैसे फिल्म सेट पे पहुंच जाओ, देखे तो सही होता क्या है वहाँ पे, शूटिंग कैसी होती है. और एक फिल्म में हीरो का दोस्त भी था, तो हीरो का दोस्त था, एक लाइन था. फिर वहां पे किसी एडी ने कहा कि अभी हीरो डांस करे तो उसके दोस्त भी पीछे डांस करने चाहिए, तो हम दो दोस्तों को पीछे डांस करवाया. तो फिर बाद में मुझे पता चला डांसर. व्हाट फिल्म वाज दिस? अरे यार
छोड़ेंगे नहीं.
It will not go out of this room.
अरे नहीं व्हाट, ये YouTube में फिर गाने वाले हैं यार, मेरे स्टूडेंट ने कुछ ढूंढ के निकाल लिया था और मैं बहुत अजीब दिखता हूँ उसमें, और तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. और तो पहली बार मुझे याद है जब पहली बार डायलॉग बोल रहा था ना, ऐसे कुछ मास्टर शॉट हुआ, तब मास्टर से पता नहीं था कैमरा वहां रखा है, तो हमने ऐसे करके डायलॉग बोला हीरो को. उसके बाद कैमरा कुछ वहां से यहाँ, फिर बाद में असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर ने बोला यहाँ देख के बोलो, तो मुझसे कुछ बोला ही नहीं गया. और मैं ऐसे हवा में देखे कैसे बोलूं, मुझे लगा कौन कहाँ बैठा है, वो यहाँ पे बैठा है, बोलो. तो मुझे समझ में आता है एक्टरों क्या मुश्किल है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया क्या है ये टेक्नोलॉजी, वहां पे क्यों देख के बोलना पड़ रहा है. फिर धीरे धीरे मुझे लगा यार, फिर बाद में जो डायरेक्टर बनने की भूख हुई, फिर देन आई स्टार्टेड. तो हर फिल्म सेट में पहुंचता था डांस करने, और डायरेक्टर के पास स्ट्रगल करता था कि मुझे असिस्टेंट रख लो. फिर मुझे लगा कि दे डोंट हैव मच रिस्पेक्ट फॉर डांसर्स, सो देन आई थॉट आई शुड डू समथिंग एल्स. ऐसे करते करते देन फाइनली आई थॉट आई शुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टेलीविजन, क्योंकि फिल्मों में किसी ने खास नहीं डाला मुझे.
But is it you know, a lot of people here would like to enter films, and that's probably why you would go to a film school and things like. Is it really still as difficult to sort of break into movies as it used to be, or at least was considered to be, you know, in the past, say, 30 years or so? Have things necessarily changed? Amol?
I would recommend everybody to just walk with a camera and just start off. Which is what I tried in Stanley Ka Dabba. I said, let me do a prototype where there's no lights, no nothing at all. And with a 7D camera with no focus marks, children doing their thing. If that's possible, and if that is made as a knowledge source for people who want to share content, whether it is on YouTube in short films or small films or big films, doesn't matter. But the idea is to put that foot forward and capture.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।